Good morning, students. Welcome to grade 4 math. Our lesson is number 6 from topic 13. Solve perimeter and area problems from textbook page 709 to page 712. Our lesson objective is find the unknown length or width of a rectangle using the known area or perimeter. Find the unknown length or width of a rectangle using the known area or perimeter. Essential understanding. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, add the length of the rectangle's four sides. If you have only the width and the height, then you can easily find all four sides. Two sides are each equal to the height and the other two sides are equal to the width. Multiply both the height and the width by 2 and the results. Again, I repeat, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, add the length of a rectangle's four sides. If you have only the width and the height, then you can easily find all four sides. Two sides are each equal to the height and the other two sides are equal to the width. Multiply both the height and the width by 2 and add the results. Our essential question. How can you use perimeter and area to solve problems? How can you use perimeter and area to solve problems? Our example number 1. You can see there we have a rectangle. One side is 7 centimeters. That is length, and the width is 3 centimeters. Method 1. Use this formula. P means perimeter. If the two that you can see there, it means the two equal sides. For example, up there we have 7 centimeters, but down opposite side it is 7 centimeters. If you can see there, we have another 3 centimeters. The other side is also 3. If you want to get the perimeter for this one, you can say that you can multiply the two sides, that is one side that is 7 and the other side is 7, so those are two sides. Multiply by the length given. So you say 7 times 2. You go the other side, you say there are two sides that have got 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters and the other one is 3 centimeters. So those are two sides. You see, 2 times the given width, that is 2 times 3. When you have done that, you say now 7 times 2, you get it is 14. And 2 times 3, you get that is 6. Then add the two sides. That is 14 plus 6, and you are going to get 20 centimeters. I'm going to show you the other method, that is example number 2. I promised you that I'm going to give you another method, that is example 2. You can see there we have the rectangle. Our rectangle, one side, the length is 5 centimeters and the width is 2 centimeters. Method 2. The first thing is to know that the opposite sides are equal. If one side is 5 centimeters, the other side is also 5 centimeters. If the other side width is 2 centimeters, so the other width is also 2 centimeters. Now, if this one is very easy, we are only going to add all the sides. You can see there we add 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. Then you are going to get 10 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. We get 14 centimeters. That is very easy, boys. Our next item is, how can I use area to solve a problem? Again, how can I use area to solve a problem? Example 1. you can see there I have a rectangle. Now, in this rectangle, one side is 8 feet and the other side is 3 feet. Now, the first thing, if you want to get the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length times width. Again, the formula for area is length times width. And that is why we have that formula, area equals length times width. In our rectangle there, boys, you can see that we have 8 feet. That is the length. And you can see too, we have the 3 feet. That is the width. Now we can multiply the two. That is 8 feet times 3 feet. And we are going to get 24 feet square. That is our example 2. In this example, we are going to get or to find the missing dimension. How do we do that? In this, you can be given the area of a figure. In our case here, we have the rectangle. The area of this rectangle is 20 square meters. And you can see our width there, we don't know. We are only being given the letter B. Now, the other side, the length of our rectangle, we are given as 5 meters. But now we have a unknown side. For this one, step number 1. In step number 1, you must know how to get the area of a rectangle. Remember, we have already learned that area equals length times width. So, you go to step 2 to make the equation. Write the equation. How do we write the equation? Take the total area, that is the area given there, equals 5 the side you are given, times B, the side that you are not given, unknown side. Now you work it out. How do I work it out? To bring the B on the other side, take 20 the other side and divide by 5. Then, after dividing by 5, you are going to get B is equals to 4. Why? Because if you multiply 4 by times 5, you are going to get 20. And that is it. Okay, boys. Now it's your time to work out. That means that is the end of our lesson today. And I would like you to try these questions. Find the perimeter and the area of the following figures. And number 2, find the missing dimension. If you experience any problem, please let us meet in our Schoology.